Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, see you again with Miss Fitri. Today we will learn Cambridge Global English Grade 1. Okay, please open your Global English page 80, Chapter 6, My 5 Senses. Okay, let's read together. My 5 senses. Okay, my 5 senses. We have 5 senses: eyes, ears, nose, mouth or tongue, and skin. Okay, that's all our 5 senses. Okay, I will repeat again. Eyes, ears, nose, mouth or tongue, mouth, and skin. Okay, now how do we use our 5 senses? Okay, bagaimana kita menggunakan 5 panca indera itu? Okay, let's read and listen to know more how we use our 5 senses. Okay, I will play the audio. Okay, when the audio is playing, please point to your eyes, ears, nose, and mouth as you say the words. Okay, are you ready to listen the audio? Okay, I will play it for you.
2. Track 54. Cambridge Global English, Stage 1, by Caroline Lindsay and Ellie Shotton. Published by Cambridge University Press. This recording is copyright 2014.
2 little eyes. 2 little eyes to see all around. 2 little ears to hear each sound. 1 little nose to smell what's sweet. 1 little mouth that likes to eat.
Oke, everybody, bisa ya mendengarkan, kemudian membaca sambil menunjukkan bagian yang disebutkan. Oke, kita baca dulu ya, read together without the audio. 2 little eyes, 2 mata kecil. 2 little eyes to see all around. 2 mata kecil untuk melihat sekitar. 2 little ears to hear each sound. 2 telinga untuk mendengar setiap suara. 1 little nose to smell what's sweet. 1 hidung kecil untuk mencium sesuatu yang harum. 1 little mouth that likes to eat. 1 mulut yang suka makan. Okay, I will play you one more. Please read and point to your eyes, ears, nose, and mouth as you say the words. Okay.
Track 54. Cambridge Global English, Stage 1, by Caroline Lindsay and Ellie Shotton. Published by Cambridge University Press. This recording is copyright 2014.
2 little eyes. 2 little eyes to see all around. 2 little ears to hear each sound. 1 little nose to smell what's sweet.
bisa ya mendengarkan, menirukan, kemudian sambil menggerakkan tangan, point to your senses. Okay, and now we will look at to the picture. Okay, the picture. I will maximize the picture. Okay, look at this. Okay, there are some family, and then band, music band, and then father and the baby, and then the bird. Okay, I will play the audio about the picture, and I will point to the picture that the words say in the audio. Okay, let's hear the audio together.
It's a beautiful day in the park. The sun is shining. I can hear birds singing.
Birds singing.
Look, I can see the birds up in the trees. A little boy and his dad are smelling the flowers. The flowers smell nice. A family is eating red cherries. The cherries taste sweet. The baby is touching a toy rabbit. It feels nice and soft. On the stage, a band is playing. Can you hear the music? Listen now. A train is coming. Can you hear it? Wow, that train is loud.
Okay. Are you ready again? Okay. One more.
It's a beautiful day in the park.
Okay. It's a beautiful day in the park. Okay. Ini hari yang indah di taman.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining. You can look at the sun. This is the sun. Okay. The sun is shining. And then
hear birds singing.
I can hear birds singing. Yes. Saya bisa mendengar burung berkicau.
Look, I can see the birds up in the trees.
Look, I can see the bird on the top of the tree. Lihat, aku bisa melihat burung ada di pucuk pohon, di puncak pohon.
A little boy and his dad are smelling the flowers.
A little boy and dad are smelling the flowers. Okay. Anak kecil, ya, anak laki kecil dan ayahnya sedang mencium bunga.
The flowers smell nice. A family is eating.
The flowers is smelling nice, ya. Bunganya tercium harum. And then
red cherries. The cherry is eating red cherries. Smell nice. A family is eating red cherries.
A family is eating a red cherries, ya. Sebuah keluarga sedang memakan cherry merah.
The cherries taste sweet.
The cherry tastes sweet. Cherry-nya terasa manis.
The baby is touching a toy rabbit.
Okay, the baby is touching the toy rabbit. Ya, bayinya sedang menyentuh boneka kelinci.
Feels nice and soft.
The fur is nice and soft. Ya, bulunya indah dan halus, cantik dan halus.
On the stage, a band is playing.
On the stage, a band is bands. Ya, di panggung ada grup musik, band musik.
Can you hear the music?
Can you hear the music?
Listen now. A train is coming.
Listen now. The train is coming. Ya, dengarkan. Kereta datang. Suaranya kereta gimana?
Can you hear it? Wow, that train is loud.
Wow, that train is loud. Wow, keretanya sangat keras, ya. Okay, from this picture and the audio, we can know how we use our senses. For the first, in the audio, says that I can see the birds on the top of the tree. So, we use what sense to see the birds? Kita menggunakan panca indera apa untuk melihat burung di puncak pohon? Yes, eyes. And then, the next, a little boy and the dad are smelling the flowers. Yes, smelling. How we smelling? What the scent we use to smell? Ya, apa alat panca indera kita yang kita gunakan untuk mencium? Yes, nose. And then there is a family eating the red cherry. What sense we use to eat? To taste something? Untuk taste makanan, kita untuk merasakan makanan kita menggunakan mouth and tongue. Okay, and then the little baby touch the toys rabbit, ya. Bayi kecilnya sedang menyentuh boneka kelinci. Kita menggunakan apa kalau menyentuh boneka kelinci? Ya, menggunakan kulit kita, tangan kita, ya, untuk merasakan halus, kasar, ya. We touch with our skin or our hand. And then, look, there is a band here, music band, ya. Can you hear the instrument, the music instrument? Bisa mendengarkan tadi? Ya, apa yang kita gunakan untuk mendengarkan, teman-teman? Yes, we use our ears to hear. And also, we hear the train. Ya, kita tadi mendengar suara kereta api. It sounds too loud. Ya, itu terdengar sangat keras. And we use our ears too. Okay, that's about our 5 senses. Okay, in this part about 5 senses, and I will continue in part 2. Okay, let's see you in the part 2.